Hello story writers. Welcome to Alwrity. Today, I'm excited to show you how I use our free AI story writer tool to create an amazing story in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, I select my story writing persona. I'm choosing historical fiction author from the drop-down menu. Next, I can modify the persona details to personalize my story even more. I'll keep it as is for now. Now, I input a few story details. For this demo, my story will be about a brave knight's quest to find a lost artifact. I'll also include a brief outline and a list of characters. Once that's done, I click on the Write a Story button to generate my story. While the tool is creating my story, let me share some of its fantastic features. Alwrity uses prompt chaining and iterative generation to craft high-quality stories. It includes retry handling to ensure the process runs smoothly. The AI follows detailed writing guidelines, allowing me to delve deep into the world I'm building with vivid descriptions and rich narratives. It develops characters with complex motivations and unfolds the plot naturally, making the story engaging and immersive, and just like that, my story is ready. Using Alwrity's free AI tool is straightforward and efficient. I love how quickly and creatively it works. Give it a try today and see for yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Write smartly with Alwrity. Visit alwrity.com for more free and open source tools and resources. See you next time.